In this class, we're going to create our mid armhole bustier using the freehand method. We're drafting straight on the fabric and we're drafting the full bustier with the shoulder. So the first thing we are going to do is remove our ½ inch as we normally do. Remove the ½ inch for sewing stroke joining allowance. Then we are going to take our normal measurement, our chest line, our bust point, our under bust, and our full length. So that's what we're just taking. We're creating our normal borders the way we always do it. So we just create it. So once this is done, we'll just create our shoulder. We're trying to form our armhole. So we'll just create our shoulder, come down by 1 inch, create our neckline, then come down by take half the midpoint to create our armhole. So once we just do that, we create our armhole. We already know how to do this. So once we've created this, we're going to place our princess, that's our nipple to nipple point, divided by 2. So mine is 8, divided by 2 is 4. So we'll just place it and we'll rule all through. Then we'll now, we're doing an armhole bustier. So we'll connect it to our mid armhole. Then on our under bust, we'll mark 3. And on our waistline, we'll also mark 3. And from our bust point, we'll just connect it this way. I hope you're seeing it. You can actually use 2, but I'm going to use 3 because I want it to be really pronounced. So I'll just curve it that way. From our mid armhole, I will come down by 1.5. You can also come down by 2, but I'm coming down by 1.5. Then you connect it like this. You just connect it to your bust point. Make sure it's curvy. So the next thing we are going to do after this is to place our normal measurements. And remember, when you place your measurement, you're also going to place those ones you're taking out and your allowance. So my waist measurement is 7.5. 7.5 plus 3, I'll add the 3 and I'll add extra 1. I'll add extra 2 for my allowance. That is 1 inch is for allowance, 1 inch is for joining. So once I've put my measurement, added my allowance, and added what I took out, I'm just going to connect the lines together. So we've connected it. Then from this our armhole, this new one we created, we're going to add 1 inch and create a new armhole. We're going to add 1 inch and create a new armhole. This is so that it will not be shortened by the time we cut. So the next thing we are going to do is just to cut all through, and that is it.